Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This is not that in this association you have to do this. You can learn this art and you can have it in your home. You can also prepare such preparation, nice preparation at your home, offer to Krishna. That is not very difficult. We every day prepare and offer to Krishna and chant the mantra, Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo. That's all. It is not very hard. Everyone can prepare this food stuff and offer to Krishna and then take it, and then with family members or with friends we can sit down and chant before the picture of Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and live a pure life. Just see the result. If every home, every person takes to this principle of understanding Krishna, it will become, the whole world will become Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha means where there is no anxiety. Vaikuntha, Vai means without, and Kuntha means anxiety. This world is full of anxiety. Sada samadvigna dhiya asadgraha. Because we have accepted this temporary existence of material life, therefore we are always encumbered with anxiety. Just the opposite thing is there in the spiritual world, where the planets are called Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha means without anxiety. We want to be free from anxiety. Everyone is trying to get himself free from anxiety, but he does not know how to get out of this anxiety. This taking shelter of intoxication is no use to get oneself free from anxiety. It is a drug. It is oblivion. Sometimes you forget everything. But again, when you come to your consciousness, the same anxieties and same thing are there. So this will not help you. If you want to be free from anxiety, and if you want actually life eternal with bliss and knowledge, then this is the process. This is the process. You have to understand Krishna. Here it is clearly stated that Name Vidu Suragava, nobody can understand. But there is a way. Sevanmukhihi jivado swami vasprasana. This is a process. There are several places in Srimad Bhagavatam, this process is described in a different way. Just like in one place it is stated that Jnani prayasam mudapasanamantaiva sanamukharitang bhavadiyavartam jivanti sanamukharitang bhavadiyavartam thane sthita sutigatang tanuvang manovi je prayasha ajita jitopasistai sthiratyam. It is very nice verse. It is said that Ajita, nobody can know. God's another name is Ajita. Ajita means nobody can conquer him. Nobody can approach him. Therefore his name is Ajita. So Ajita becomes conquered. Ajitopi jitopashi. Although the Lord is unknowable, the Lord is unconquerable, still he is conquered. How? Nastoi thane sthita.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,